Hi, this is Tim the Watchbox coming to you from home. Tonight there will be no watches tonight. Nevertheless, we shall announce the winner of our first quarter raffle, and that is Sung Chi of California, who was one of 38,000 individuals who entered to win our Tudor Heritage Black Bay Bronze. The good news is there are 3 more quarters of the year, and yes, we continue with our giveaways throughout. We have no plans to change that. Of course, I will be working from home for the next 2 to 3 weeks, so although I can admit Nixon and Khrushchev did a better job from the kitchen, all the same, once I get up and running back in my ancestral New York, I think we should have some of the most engaging and interactive experiences yet. I think it's going to be a very chat-driven kind of 2 weeks on Watches Tonight. I look forward to your questions. As ever, reach out to me at mondaymailbag@thewatchbox.com with your comments, queries, and wrist shots. I can't promise I'll be able to feature them, but I guarantee I will read every email you send. Thanks so much. Best audience on YouTube. You guys stay safe, stay healthy, stay on time, and as ever, I appreciate all you guys have done for me and my team. Time out, Tim out, talk soon, and thanks for logging on.